So while I was literally shooting another video, I figured out a setting on the camera that everyone needs to change. So if you got an A7 IV, open up your camera right now and change this setting. And this is a setting that I complained about in like 2 videos ago, where I was talking about, you know, how when you change from the photo mode and the video mode, it keeps the same settings from those 2 modes, which I thought was ridiculous, because why would you want like picture profile on the photo modes that you selected on the, you know, the video mode? But there's a setting to change it. I was just too dumb to like notice it. So what you gotta do is you gotta click menu on your camera, and then you gotta go to your settings, and then go to the 3rd option, operation custom, and then click right, and then go all the way down to different sets for still and movie, and then click OK. And then from there you can select whatever you want to change and keep. And I just clicked all of them so that between the video and the photo mode I have all the settings, and then press OK, and then boom, that's it. This is a very important, I think this should have been on by default. Why would you want the photo and the video to be, you know, the same settings? So that's just a quick little tip for you guys. Hope it was useful, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm making a bunch of videos about the A7 IV camera. As I figure out stuff about this camera, I'm just making more videos, you know, talking about it. So make sure to subscribe and check out my other videos.